Hi guys, welcome to my computing channel. Where today I'm just going to be going over some sorting algorithms. So this is going to be like unscripted, so I don't really know how well I'm going to do, but I'll try my best. So here are the three different algorithms I'm going to be going over. So we have merge sort, which is kind of complicated, but it is efficient in longer lists. Bubble sort is just kind of boring. You just go check. I'll show you in a second. Insertion sort, my teacher keeps on telling me that this is how, like, this is wrong, but it is not wrong, and I'm just like way better than her. So yeah. First we're going to be going over bubble sort. So here is a list of numbers, and basically sorting algorithms just sort the list. Basically, it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to be using this in every example. So what it does is it starts at the beginning of list, and then it compares this value. So I've highlighted them in green. It compares this value to the next one on the right here. So it would be 3 and then 5, and then because 3 is smaller than 5, nothing would change. So it would move on to the next one. If it says here, if it's bigger, then it would swap, but it's smaller here, so it wouldn't swap. So this is a good example for this, as is 5, which is bigger than 1, so it would swap with the 1 there. So now, because does each value, like it checks the first value, then the second value, then because this is the third value now, it would stay on the 5, it would check the 2, and it is bigger than the 2, so it would swap with that, so it ends up here, and then 5 is bigger than 4, so it would end up there. So then what I've done is just skip that, and then went on to this one, which is called a pass. Once it's done all of the numbers, it goes through the whole list again. So it starts at 3, and then 3 is bigger than 1. It is also bigger than 2. And what I've done here is I've done an animation, which took me like a really long time, so hopefully it's good. But yeah, it would check. This is in order now, so it would go 4, then 5, and then you would think that this is it, but it's actually not, because then it does like a whole nother pass. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is pretty much it. So hopefully that makes sense. I have an example here if you were to like pause the video and try yourself or something. So moving on from that one, we're going on to insertion sort now, which is a pretty fun one. I like doing this one because it's quite simple and easy to explain. So what it does is it starts on the second value of the list, and checks the values to the left of it. So yeah, that's what it says here. But what it would do, because the 3 is smaller than the 5 here, nothing would change, and I've added arrows here to show this, but the 1 is the next value that would be checked, and it is bigger than, it's smaller than the 5 and the 3, so that would move over to the first position. So the rest is like this. So then it would check the 2 and do the same. The 2 goes into this position here, like that, and then it would check the 4, and then it would be in order. And here is an example to do. Hopefully this all makes sense, because it was a quick explanation. If you don't understand anything, feel free to let me know in the comments. Now we're going on to merge sort. This one is kind of difficult to explain, but I will try my best. So what we've got here is a sublist. This is just a list of all the numbers. It is in this format for a reason. So what we're going to do first of all is split them all up into sublists, just like that. So now that we have this, what we're going to do is, it's in the name, we're going to merge these together. So what you do here is take the 3 and the 5, merge them into one thing, the 1 and the 2, and merge them into something. There's nothing here, so it would just stay there. And there you go. If the 5 was here, for example, then it would check with the 3, see which one's bigger, and then put the 5 in the rightmost place. and it would just do that for all of the rest of them. So now that we have list, what would happen is it would combine this with the 1 and the 2. So you'd end up with this, and as you can see, it's being ordered, because it would check the 1 and the 3 first of all, and then the 1 would be bigger. Then it would put that here. Then it would check the 2 and the 3, and the 2 is there, and then this is already in order, so you don't need to check that again. And then finally, this would be really efficient with longer lists as well, as you can see, because it just merges them all together really quickly. Then the 4 is then added to this list right here by being merged together. So hopefully that also makes sense. And here is the same example. So feel free to do that. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was a good explanation. And yeah, feel free to ask for any topics. I am happy to research anything. This took a very long time to make, so I would appreciate a like, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye.